So, hearty welcome to Nature Life TV. So, this is to promote nature cure, teach people the self healing techniques. That's our aim. So, I'm very happy to introduce a family from Goa, Panaji, Mr. Tom, Jennifer, and Shane. So, I would like to know what brought you here.
Actually, we had come to Trivandrum 2 months back. From there, one of our priest friend, Father Anish Fernandez. So he told of us Sir Jacob's naturopathy, which is in Trishul. So he told us to go and take the experience of that. So we came here last 1 month. So we are taking treatment here since 1 month now.
So, you came to Trivandrum. To meet Father Anish Fernandez.
Yeah,
Actually, you came for the treatment of your son.
yeah.
So then he suggested Nature Life Pattikat.
Yeah, he told us to go and take experience in naturopathy, which I never heard about it. So we came here and last 1 month and started taking the treatment here. So their treatment is it's just like food diet. They give fruits and vegetables,
Mainly raw vegetables.
raw vegetables and fruits. So it was very hard for us because I am a non-veg person, and of my family also, they are both non-veg, and it was difficult for starting 1 week. It was very difficult for us, for me especially. And so after 1 week, that I am suffering from diabetes and pressure.
How much was your diabetic level?
Diabetes level with tablet, it was up to 180, 200. Sometimes it is more also.
Since when you are diabetic?
I am since 13 years now.
13 years.
Yeah, 13
You are
years.
diabetic.
Yeah, I am a diabetic since 13 years, and even pressure I was having detected in that.
BP was also there.
Yeah,
Okay.
that time only, 13 years.
How much it was the BP level?
It was BP used to be 150, 160. It was there with a tablet.
Okay.
But now since I came here, I did this my checkup regular in the morning. So it is now around beyond 110, sometimes 120, 110, 100. Without medicine, that is. Without medicine. I am not taking tablet right now. I am not taking a tablet. Without a tablet, it has come down. And even my diabetes, I should take 3 tablets. So now only one tablet I am taking, and my diabetes is normal.
Then what are the other benefits?
I lost my weight. I lost my weight 6 kilos, and I am feeling like I am I'm become
Light.
like light, very light. So
Okay, very good.
so see my this thing. This shirt is not mine. It was my son's shirt. I am wearing it because I am come down. My previous shirt is like a bag.
You had a proud belly.
Yeah. It was a belly first. Now it is come down, and I am wearing his shirt. My old shirts are not fitting for me. It look like a bag for me.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Jennifer, what's your experience with nature?
My name is Jennifer, and I'm from Goa. We as a family have come here to take treatment for my son. But at the same time, we thought as he's taking the treatment, we'll also follow up with that. So it was actually when we are home and we take it as I had to go like along with this treatment, then it wouldn't have been possible. But since we are here and we could we can do it up here very nicely, and I have lost my weight, 4 kilos, and also I'm feeling very light.
Tell your main uh, aim of this trip. Yes.
Actually, my main trip is because of my son. He is suffering from pulmonary arterial hypertension, and he was told to undergo a transplant. But so that's how we landed up for him to take the treatment. So he was on allopathic medicines right from the beginning. He had undergone a surgery for heart, and then since 13 years, and then as days went by, years passed, months passed, then the pressures kept rising, the pulmonary pressures kept rising of his, and we were at a stage where we had to undergo a transplant, which he was not ready, my son was not ready to go for it. So we just one of our friend, Father Anish, he said, you come to Kerala and we'll do a homeopathic treatment with acupressure. So we did that. We did it for 3 months, and then after that Father said, we'll take this naturopathy from Dr. Jacob, and
which we never heard about.
which we didn't know about it, what the treatment will be, how it will go. So after that we came here, and for a month we are here now, and we have taken the treatment, and there's a change in his symptomatically. He looks fine compared to what he was. He was not able to walk for short distance, or even when he was sitting, he used to feel breathless, and discoloration used to be on his face, tongue, on the lips. His fingers used to turn blue when he used to walk, or when he used to walk and do any activity. Even after having a bath, he used to come out, he used to turn blue, his fingers and his lips. So which we don't see it right now at this since we started the treatment.
So to continue.
Yeah, I feel we should continue this as Dr. Jacob says how it should, and we should do the follow up with it.
So now we can hear Shane.
Yes.
Tell us about your life experience.
Okay, so my name is Shane, and as you all know already, my mother has introduced about my disease. Basically, it's like the lung pressures are high, so I can't take in lots of oxygen, and it becomes difficult to do strenuous activities like walking, and like normal day-to-day activities also are very difficult to go about. Forget strenuous activities. So these past 13 years, I have been taking allopathic medicines that has kept this pressure under control. There has been a significant rise in the pressures, but it hasn't come down. And I don't know, like we had come to Trivandrum to homeopathic treatment, and the pressures had dropped somewhat, but it rose again, and like my condition started worsening. So then Father told us to come here, try this, and like
homeopathic.
try naturopathic, and after like 1 month I've lost a significant amount of weight, and I guess that has helped me to get symptomatically better. I don't know whether there's a pressure change or what, because I can't detect that normally, so only a test will confirm how I'm feeling. Yeah, so
What was the treatment here you received?
Yeah.
What type of treatment?
Yeah. Okay, so there was hot and cold treatment. The first was hot they put
On the
a hot water bag
chest.
on the chest, and they used to put a wet cloth so that the
Hot and cold
yeah,
alternate.
alternate, so that it doesn't like,
What's the important significance of sunlight?
Mud pack, sunlight.
sunlight for vitamin D, the calcium levels and all to increase it.
See, after sitting under the sun, it might be first time in your life. So, what was your feeling at that time?
I didn't really like sitting over there under the sun, but as time passed by, I grew accustomed to it, and day wouldn't go where I didn't sit in the sun in the morning and in the afternoon.
Then it's the first time also you start to eat vegetable and fruits.
Yes, yes.
Tell us about your diet actually. What was the diet and what is now?
Yeah, so basically I used to eat non-veg like 24 hours a day, and whatever vegetables used to be there were part of the non-veg preparation, and even if there was any separate vegetable item cooked, I wouldn't like
Touch
even go
it.
to touch it. Yeah. So now eating only fruits and vegetables is like really hard. For these past 27 days, it's like hard, but I still have to do it.
So you have to continue at least 3 months before going on a test. You follow it. Do you follow?
Yes.
Strictly follow. Okay. So you are leaving tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we wish pleasant journey
Yeah.
and complete cure. Okay.